I know I just cleaned the car.
Like,
Yeah, I gotta get
right
stuff out. Okay, let's go. Oh, look here, Jesse. Oh, no. Look at this. That's where I started from. That's where we went to.
yeah.
That's where the creepy forest is.
But didn't you show that on your video thing?
I might have.
Yeah, because
Pretty cool, eh? There's one spot. Oh, and we went and checked this out. This is pretty neat. We saw a beaver right there. Yeah, and it was a big one. You can judge beavers by the size of their head. It was a whopper of a beaver. Get the pun. Get off their tail. Man, that girl slams that door. Hey, we're getting out of here. Where are we gonna go? I've got an idea. I want to go home. Okay, I just came from the hardware store where I picked up a spring. Hopefully that will fix the outboard motor bracket. We'll see. If not, we'll take it back. Just playing around at this point. Picked up a little table from the shop, and I need another little table outside, so that'll work fine. There's the other work table. I'm going to start bending aluminum tubes for my solar arch tomorrow, so that's where I'm going to be working, is put my bender on there and start bending. In the meantime, I'm just going to do a bit of cleanup in here and get things picked up. So I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup in here. Might put the stickers on my cowl too. May as well do that actually while I'm out here. I've got the time. So tomorrow I'm going to bend. Tomorrow my plan is to bend my aluminum for my solar arch and get that built tomorrow. Good. Let's do those stickers. Why not? Pencil. Get some tape. So I've taken each set of stickers and lined them up so they're exact. Now it's just a matter of placing them. And decide on the placement of this side, because I think that is that's going to look correct. So now it is time to peel. This is the moment of truth. It's the peeling of the stickers. You want your surface to be really clean and your hands to be really clean and everything to be really clean. And don't just throw these on the ground. You might have to have an emergency repair that requires you to grab that. The first bit, one must remember that this isn't as rigid as when the paper was on it, so you have to kind of pull on it to keep it from buckling. Okay, not done yet. Next one. It's the moment of truth. at that. Fail. Okay, now I gotta get... Ta-da! You can't tell that the H ripped. Take a good close look. Well, I'm pretty happy with that. Other than I've got one air bubble in it here that I'll have to chase out. There we go. Okay, what do you say? Let's see if we can wreck this side too. I've got it all taped up and registered. Let's do this. And we're going to go with the biggest Johnson one. It's the furthest away. So that was the fight to get these lined up. They're cut on different angles. Kind of a pain, but you gotta work with what you got, eh? Now, I don't know. I guess I'm just gonna put these about the middle. Not gonna matter much. Ta-da! So this is my new Johnson hood. What do you think? Spiffy. Okay. Well, I'm going to erase my pencil marks gently. And this is done. Ta-da! I'm quite happy with the way this has turned out. Look at that. Make this my thumbnail. Okay, that's enough thumbnail making. I'm gonna start putting some tools away, and I think that's it for today's video anyways. We'll get up to something else tomorrow. Thanks for watching. We'll bend those things tomorrow. So I was going to edit that video on the hatch slides. Last night's video didn't upload for some reason, so now I can't do it now because I'm uploading last night's. I'm rendering it and then uploading it. Oh well.